Hey y'all, welcome back. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. You saw the picture before. We're going to be doing some burgers out here. As you can tell behind me, I am out at the campground. Forgive the mess over there. The cleaning lady has the week off. We're going to be doing a Decadent camp burger. We have bacon, we have pepper jack cheese, American cheese. The burgers you saw that I so precisely formed up, that is a combination of prime and Wagyu brisket trim that we're putting on a Hawaiian roll for tonight. And for mine, it's actually going to get topped with an egg also. You saw the 7 patties. It's because this is also supper for the family tonight. A couple things we're going to use in here. We're going to put Uncle Steve's All-American SPG on the burgers. And if you haven't tried this yet, please try it. Either try Smoke Bomb or Pig Shake on your bacon. Totally changes the flavor. I've used it in slider competitions. It's wonderful. So we got the griddle right here fired up. I'm going to move the camera over, get you set up, get you ready. Let's start cooking. All right, so we've had the griddle on about 5 minutes before. We got the bacon laid out. We're going to take a little bit of Pig Shake. Just put a dusting on that bacon. Hopefully you can hear me over the sizzle, but you know as well as I do, sizzle's a good sound. Now I got the left 3 burners on, the far right one over here is off. This is where we're gonna stage everything as we're waiting for everything else to cook. So let's get this bacon going a little more. We'll bring you back. We're probably gonna flip it, dust the other side with the Pig Shake, and pull it off, and I'll bring you back either partway through or when we get the burgers on. I want to apologize for the shadow and everything back here. Part of the joys of cooking outside. So we'll see you back in a minute. All right, so we got our bacon flipped over. You can tell it's a little hotter in the middle. That's fine. We'll play bacon Jenga. Gonna give it a little second dusting here on this side, so both sides are dusted with the Pig Shake. Now, tell me in the comments, are you one flip on the bacon, or are you a multi-flip like the Wall twins? I know Brett and Adam have a difference of opinion on how many times you flip your bacon. So you let me know. So, we're gonna move the bacon around a little bit, set some to the side as it gets done. Bring you back when these burgers go on with the All-American SPG. All right, so most of our bacon is done. The wife likes a little more crispy bacon. I'm more medium rare bacon to medium bacon, let's put it that way. So we have our burger patties seasoned up with the All-American SPG. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these off, put them seasoned side down. Now we are going to be using the burger press, but we're not making a smash burger. We're just going to use this for a little weight to get good contact with the griddle. Now these are very loosely packed burgers, so if you see one fall apart, that'll be my lunch tomorrow. Like this one's trying to do to me right here, but we're going to save it. See what I mean? We'll get the press on that one right away. Try hold it together a little better. So like I said, this is Wagyu and prime brisket trim. One thing I should have done, quickly hit this side with the All-American. So, let's get this back on. We're going to rotate it about every 30 seconds. We're just going to go back and forth till they have a nice crust on the bottom. Not so much a smash burger crust, just a nice even crust on the bottom. Then we'll give them the flip. We'll bring you back then. All right, it's been about 3.5 minutes. Flip these over. See what we got here. We're getting a little crust on there. That's all right. It's not going to be a heavy crust like a smash burger, like I said. There we go. That one looks perfect. Now, I knew these were going to shrink up a little bit. And again, I apologize about the lighting. Let's move these over here so you can see them a little better. There we go. So we're going to go back through. We're going to put the burger press back on them just to help promote that crust. And we'll be sliding them over to the warm zone here shortly to start our buns. All right, so we have the burgers now over on the warm zone. We're going to take a little stick butter. We have the second from the right burner off also. The other two are on low. We're just going to give this a little butter to toast our buns. So let's get these buns on real quick. Get them started toasting. And then, once the kids get here, we're going to let them pick what cheese they want, either American or pepper jack on their burger. I got a feeling the boy's going to go with pepper jack and the girl will go with American. But before they get here, because they're not here yet and we're already toasting buns, we're going to make the burger for the thumbnail and everything else. It's just going to be the burger, nothing fancy, y'all. Just want to show you my take on a good Decadent griddled burger. Stay tuned. After the buns are done, we have one more thing to add. Most of the buns are toasted. This one's just got a little bit left. So let's start building our burger. What do you say? All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to bring a burger over. And we're going to put our American and our pepper jack on. Now, guys, look at that. Did you see how I starred the cheese? You need to do that. That way you get cheese in every bite and not just a little here, little there. We're going to put the bacon on top. Time for our last ingredient. Get the egg on. A little bit of All-American AP on there. And tuck it up so it fits nicely on our burger with toasted buns. So let's give this egg a couple minutes. We'll be right back. All right, here we are, finished product. Nice runny egg on top, bacon, American pepper jack, can't even talk, cheese, with that prime and Wagyu ground brisket as our base. Nicely toasted bun. We'll get a picture of this for the gram, as my boy CJ says. Then we're going to get a picture of the money shot with that yolk running. Hey, thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't tried Uncle Steve's Shake yet, please do it. I can attest it is award-winning. Ask me how I know. As Lep says, F that trophy. Right, Lep? Love you, brother. Y'all have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, y'all.